This is the Electi Review. Today, the productivity app market in 2026 is crowded, opinionated, and increasingly expensive. And choosing the wrong tool costs you more than just money. The article under review ranks 10 apps for daily organization, covering task managers, calendar tools, and all-in-one platforms. The core argument is straightforward: there is no single best app. The right choice depends on how you work. Whether you need deep task hierarchy, calendar blocking, team collaboration, or simple habit tracking. Let's look at what the data actually shows. The top contenders include Notion, Todoist, TickTick, and Google Calendar, tools that have dominated this space for years. What's changed in 2026 is the pricing landscape. Free tiers have shrunk. AI-assisted features are now paywalled almost universally. The apps that once competed on features now compete on how much they charge you to keep using features you already relied on. The article compares pros and cons across 10 tools. The pattern is consistent. The more powerful the app, the steeper the learning curve, and the higher the subscription cost. Notion offers maximum flexibility but demands significant setup time. Todoist is fast and focused but limits project depth on free plans. TickTick bundles a calendar and a habit tracker, making it one of the more complete free-tier options still standing. The skeptical read here is this: the productivity app industry has matured into a subscription lock-in game. You invest time building your system inside one platform, and then the platform raises its price. Switching costs are real. Your data, your workflows, your automations, they don't export cleanly. The article is useful as a comparison guide, but the more important question it raises without fully answering is, at what point does managing your productivity tools become its own productivity problem? That's the review.